Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Seher. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. I am doing good too. Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much for clicking on this particular video. In today's video, I'm just sharing a day in my life, sort of a video. I don't know मैं ये कितने दिन तक vlog continue करूँगी क्योंकि every time I plan this and then फिर vlog 2 3 दिन 4 दिन का चला जाता है and जो इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ें होती है लाइक हम बाहर जा रहे हैं कुछ खा रहे हैं या फिर कोई घर आया है वो छोड़ के मैं सब कुछ रिकॉर्ड कर देती हूँ मतलब एंड आई एम थिंकिंग दैट दिस विल बी द लास्ट व्लॉग ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर ईयर सो आई डोंट नो लेट्स सी. Now I've just had breakfast and yes, I forgot to show you what I ate, but I had made gobi ki sabzi which is still there. Some of it is left for my husband, so let me just show you that. So this is the gobi ki sabzi that is left. It was yum. Which ways I did keep a lot of vessels inside. ये सब गीले बर्तन रखने हैं. I did have watermelon too. A good slice of watermelon and I'm trying to hydrate myself as much as I can. I already did my skincare and yes, I forgot to show you the skincare routine that I did. But yes, let me just take you guys along and see what I can shoot. Today is a very beautiful day. It's not cold, but it's not hot as well.
Later that same evening.
I just had a full freaking jamun. I was craving for something sweet, and Alhamdulillah, इस घर में जब से आई हूँ there's no कमी of food. मेरा फ्रिज अभी खोलोगे ना, it's stuffed with food. And आज लंच में भी मम्मी ने बिरयानी बनाई थी. She called us. हम लोगों के घर पे भी दाल चावल बना था, कबाब बने थे, वैसे ही पड़ा है. Even my mother-in-law had called for lunch today. We couldn't eat there. So, Alhamdulillah, ever since I've come to this house, there's food and food and food. So much food that a foodie like me is like tired of food right now. So this is Sami's patient who was in the hospital admitted for over 15-20 days under his care, and she had no chance of survival and she survived. So she made all this and sent such a big tosha. We call tosha, you can call whatever, dabba, whatever, like literally. Alhamdulillah, shukr Allah ka, there's always food. Can you see those parcels right there? उसमें जो येलो बैग है उसमें समोसे हैं, उसमें आधी गोभी खाई हुई है, आधी गोभी वैसे ही पड़ी है. अकबर लेके आया था. आई जस्ट हैड सम ऑफ इट. आई एम ऑलरेडी सो फुल. बट समी बैंगलोर जा रहा है तो ही इज़ इंसिस्टिंग कि थोड़ा बहुत खाओ. एंड आई हैव नो फ्रिकिंग स्पेस इन माई स्टमक. हाउ डज वन पर्सन ईट सो मच? आई कांट. And because there are doctors in the house right now, we keep getting all of these things, like so many goodies, like from Cipla, from Sun Pharma, and all of that. So just received this for the World Diabetes Day. A bunch of things like muesli, cookies, sunflower seeds, all of these. Like, I was in a state of sugar and I'm so happy. Let me just show you what I got.
एशियन देखो गए ब्रो.
बचते नहीं बोल को बिरयानी बनाई है ब्रो ने.
The next morning.
Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Seh. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. As you guys already saw, it's 6:10. मैंने फजर की नमाज पढ़ ली है. The sun is not out, so don't come at me and call me out saying कि फजर का टाइम हो गया है. फजर का टाइम अभी भी है, सनराइज के लिए अभी भी बहुत टाइम है. एंड अभी भी हेयर मास्क है, मुझे नहाना है, बट मैंने आउटफिट चेंज कर लिया था सिंपली बिकॉज I was feeling very stinky in those clothes and I hadn't changed them for 2 days. You know, that's how depressive I feel sometimes. But it's okay. Actually, मैं ये साइड आप लोगों के साथ कभी भी शेयर नहीं करती हूँ. But you know what? I am always in the opinion कि हमारा जो दूसरा वाला फेज़ है वो भी दिखाना चाहिए, क्योंकि मैं इनिशियली सोचती थी कि लोग आते हैं क्यों उनको मतलब सैड स्टोरीज दिखाना, हमारे प्रॉब्लम्स दिखाना. बट कभी कभी मैं खुद देखती हूँ सोशल मीडिया में पीपल आर ऑलवेज ट्राइंग टू पोर्ट्रे अ वेरी पॉजिटिव साइड ऑफ देयर लाइफ, अ वेरी हैप्पी साइड ऑफ देयर लाइफ. एंड व्हेन यू आर गोइंग थ्रू समथिंग यू फील लाइक व्हाई इज इट हैपनिंग टू यू एंड व्हाई इज एवरीवन एल्स अराउंड यू also happy. But to say the reality is that nobody has all good days, we have our bad days. And fortunately or unfortunately, this time of my life is not that great, and I am okay with that. And I know this time also will pass. I know there are days when the logic just jumps right out of the window. It's just human for you to feel all of those emotions. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल आज मुझे बिल्कुल भी नींद नहीं आ रही है रात में. हालांकि मुझे 9:30 से लेके 10:30 तक बहुत नींद आ रही थी, बट आई वॉज प्रोक्रेस्टिनेटिंग बिकॉज ऑफ समथिंग और दी अदर और वर्क और समथिंग. एंड उसके बाद जो मेरी नींद गई एंड आई एम नॉट एबल टू स्लीप. एंड मैं सोची कि बेड पे अजीब अजीब थॉट्स सोचने से अच्छा है कि मैं उठ के कुछ फिल्म करूं, कुछ आप लोगों के साथ बात करूं. तो बस मैं यही कर रही हूँ. एंड इफ़ यू आर लाइकिंग माई कॉन्टेंट, आई एम ट्राइंग टू इम्प्रूव. सो दीज आर लास्ट फ्यू व्लॉग्स दैट आई एम filming for this year, and so I want to share everything negative that I'm going through in my life with you guys, so that I can start my 2025 year as clean as possible. It's not like कि वैनिश हो जाएंगी सारी इमोशंस, रहेंगी, टाइम लगेगा, बट एटलीस्ट एक माइंडसेट से जाना कि ओके वी विल ट्राई आवर बेस्ट, वी विल लिव आवर लाइफ एंड we will see whatever happens and leave it in Allah's hands. That is most important, and that's what I want to do. So abhi I'm just gonna let my hair mask bake in for half an hour and then I will see what I want to do. मैं सोच रही हूँ रिंग लाइट डाल दूँ ताकि मैं कुछ चीज़ें भी दिखाऊँ आपको एंड ये व्लॉग बहुत बोरिंग ना हो जाए. I want to share my studio room with you guys because when I was having this downtime, like really, really bad days where I was not able to get out of the bed and I was just having it, like, just was going through it. What I did was I tried to kind of, do a little things in my studio room because this is my area, this is my place, and I can do whatever I want. So that is what I was doing, and I want to share with you guys what I did so that we just have a little fun chit chat, right? So let me just flip the camera and show what I did around in the room. I know the light isn't the prettiest at this time, but it's fine. I just want to share with you guys two things that I got from the local market. They were very, very inexpensive and I really, really like them. I normally don't buy a lot of this winter wear because it's not hot here, you guys, honestly. I just get hot like this, right? So I don't buy them, but when I see something really cute, then I do pick them up. And we keep traveling to Ooty or things of that sort, then I want to wear them because at that time I never have good cute clothes, so I'm just buying one or two pieces, not hoarding a lot of stuff. And I believe in shopping more offline than online because I want my clothes to fit me loose. I just can't take it when my clothes are fitted or tight. So okay, anyway, just too much rambling. So this is what I picked up. This is a knitted sweater. As you guys can see, it is asymmetrical and it doesn't have buttons. This is a very 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 soft, you guys. It's white crocheted one, and you can see these triangles with color, and basically the color comes from the crochet that looks like this from inside. It's such a beautiful unique piece. It feels like as if your grandma made this out of so much love, because it feels like so good of a quality, and it's knitted, and I really really like this piece. So I think you can reverse it. This is in the size medium, but I'm a double XL to triple XL, but I still can wear it because this is just a layering piece. So this is how it looks like on inside, and this is how it looks like on outside. It's so beautifully made, and you won't believe it, like how much I got this for. I just got it for 100 rupees. Can you believe that? Like, truly, can you believe that? 100 rupees and such a beautiful piece, like literally, like it's makhan soft. And then the second thing I got was this particular one. Of lately, I've been collecting vests because I want to create certain looks, and I don't know when I will get the chance to wear them. Like, I'm waiting for it to become a little cold and for me to go out so that I can wear them. So I'm just waiting for it. But this is a vest that I got it. It's got this huge armholes, and this is pretty big sized. I like oversized vests. I don't want them to be like hugging and tight fitting, so I got the bigger ones. Apparently this is made in Hong Kong. I don't know if this brand is whatever, but there was a little bit of this stain over here, and that's why he gave it to me for 80 rupees. And I was like, God, I'm gonna snatch it like instantly. And this is just 80 rupees, and I really like it. I think it'll look really cute. I have got some boots. I will show you guys really soon. They are under the bed and my husband's sleeping, and if I do any noises, I'm gonna be kicked out of the house. So I don't want to do that, and I will get them washed once. I don't know, this one I will have to wash it. But I got this particular top from Plus S. I'm not the biggest fan of this top because you know, it came a little bit broken as well. But I lost out on the window of returning it. So the button is kind of broken, and this is how it looks like. I wanted to you know, experiment with colors because I always wear a beige and neutral tones and very simple colors, and I wanted to add a little bit of color in my wardrobe. Also, I don't like these sleeves. They are a very weird length. On the model they were looking really really nice, but they're a very weird length and they look super awkward, and I'm not a very big fan of this. This is in the size 2XL, by the way, and I'm not a fan of these sleeves. I do like the length of it and everything, but the sleeves are way too weird and they look way too awkward on me, and I don't think they suit me. So I might you know, give this away to my maid's daughter. She is a little bit on the plus side like me. A lot of things from Flipkart. I will be sharing a separate video with you guys. Not a lot, some things from Flipkart. So so there's like 4 things from Flipkart. I'll be doing a separate video, and probably end this video, I suppose. I don't know how long this video